Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Maddie and Rye, and today we are going to be doing how to make the easiest cupcakes ever.
Betty Crocker.
So good, vanilla. So great.
This video is not sponsored by Betty Crocker.
But we're just using Betty Crocker's mix. So
easy peasy.
First, I guess we'll let you know what exactly we need to put into the cupcakes. Well, you're gonna need cupcake mix if you're not mixing it from scratch. You're gonna need milk, 1 cup of milk.
Really?
Yep. You're gonna need half a cup of vegetable oil. I like to use sometimes avocado oil, but that's all I have right now. And then you're gonna need 3 eggs.
Yes.
Okay, Ryan, let's get mixed.
Okay.
And you're gonna need a large bowl and a whisk. Woohoo!
Okay.
Okay.
What should I start with? You know what?
We're gonna start with this.
Let's are you a big baker? Do you like baking? Like how often do you bake? I know I'm
Once
talking
every
about
2 days.
Sweets, not the other thing.
Once every 2 days?
Okay.
3 days? Pour it all in. You're gonna need a large enough bowl to be.
Oh my god. We're already like.
Ryan doesn't bake that much. This is why he's the one doing this.
I don't even know.
I'm teaching today.
These videos are honestly, if they're not teaching you something, they're teaching me something. That's the most important. Okay, so that is all in there. Okay.
Ding ding. Next, you are going to need to pour 1 cup of milk.
Okay. Pour it up, pour it up.
Oh. And while this is going on, make sure to preheat your oven to 350 degrees Celsius.
No, really?
350 degrees Fahrenheit. My bad.
Pour it up.
The milk in.
Ooh, yeah, look at that.
Okay, and now you're going to need half a cup of vegetable or olive or avocado oil.
Half a cup?
Half a cup.
So.
Nope,
there.
Yeah.
I'm not cracking the eggs on camera. I'm gonna let you do that.
I will crack the eggs on camera.
Oh, we got a long way to go. Can everyone see this?
Pour, pour, pour.
There we go.
Good job.
Measure perfection. Welcome to our laboratory. Aha, mad scientists. What was, while we're on here, we should discuss a little bit about what was something that you grew up to, like baking. Like what was something in your family that you, your mom made? Or
apple pie.
Yeah? Homemade?
Homemade apple pie.
I gotta roll up my sleeves.
Ooh, peach cobbler. Ooh. Lots of äppelkaka. If you know what äppelkaka is.
What country? What Portuguese?
No, that's from Iceland.
Iceland.
And vignetappa.
If my mom is watching this, which I'm sure she is, like first viewer here, proud supporter. What she made growing, like what's always been is Hello Dolly, which is I know super common, but like her recipe. It's
Sorry, what is this?
Hello Dolly, like it's like Christmas, like a dessert, and it's like it's like chocolate chips, coconut, butterscotch.
Oh yeah,
like,
yeah,
and
yeah.
it's like a crumble on the bottom.
Okay, yeah, I know what you're talking about.
So really good. And so my mom, shout out to my mom for making such a good Hello Dolly and shortbread cookies. But like my mom, like there's something about homemade baking that's different. Obviously there's some great like bakeries and store-bought, but I'm meaning like when you know there's been love and love put into it.
Yeah.
It tastes that much sweeter.
You can taste the love.
Oh my god, quote that. How am I doing, Maddie?
You're actually doing great. So now what we're gonna do?
It smells amazing.
Once you've actually mixed up your milk, your oil, and your batter, you're gonna want to crack the eggs and put the eggs into the mix.
Go the other way. This is a nice wick because it's like whisk. Did you just hear that sound? That sounded so satisfying.
Very. One-handed crack.
I don't think that needs a sound effect at all.
No. I've baked enough, I guess.
Okay. I'm gonna just gotta pound that yolk.
Okay, I'm gonna go wash my hands. I'll be back in a minute. So mix away, mix until you really can't see like the yellow in the yolk, because you can kind of see that still on the side there. So I want to scrape the sides as much as possible so that the batter's really even. It's vanilla.
Betty Crocker icing, like, have you ever gone to the grocery store and you just got this icing and like scooped it in with like, you know what, everyone's done it. Like, let's be real. Like lonely night and you're like, ice cream or icing? Both.
The cream cheese icing.
Yeah.
Oh, the cream cheese icing.
This is a great keto diet. Clearly.
Not for anybody on a diet. But we'll show you guys how we're gonna ice our cupcakes after they're baked.
Is my elbow in the way? Let us know if you guys want to see more
recipes,
like, DIY recipes, or like cooking things. We're not.
I like to cook a lot.
You're a cooker, but me, I'm not. So this would be a whole learning channel that I would just partake in.
I think a lot of people do honestly want to learn how to cook like good
bloggers.
Good meals.
Turn into like Chrissy Teigen, Rachel Ray. We coming for you.
Yeah.
Like
Martha Stewart, watch out.
Aunt Jemima.
Aunt Jemima.
Like, honey, I'm coming for you, man.
Everybody, watch out.
This looks so good. It's getting there. It's like it needs a little bit more like whip it. Like.
So once it's pretty much like mixed, you're gonna want to take your muffin or cupcake tins.
I'm trying to smile while doing this, and like it's like.
It's quite hard, isn't it? See, you have to do 10 things at once.
It's the most cardio I've had all quarantine.
Oh boy.
Arm workout, literally.
No, it's good for you. Get that arm workout in. So great.
Give me a glass of water, would you?
And then you're going to want to take your little foil. Oh, that's a different one. Your little foil baking liners. Because that's why. So the ones I have are actually like pretty intense, and you have to put this one inside of the foil one so that it just breaks away. So that's actually kind of, you don't have to get those ones. I usually just get the plain ones, but these ones I didn't know that came like this. So that's kind of fancy. I'm usually just the plain girl that gets the boring ones.
We're going fancy tonight.
We're going fancy. So I'm just lining up
and if you feel ever like you can always just take a break and
take a break. Take a sip.
What if we had some wine in it?
I've never done a wine infused cupcake before, or cake, but I think you can do it.
Or like a liqueur.
Well, we could do that one day. Cooking with alcoholic beverages.
Leave us a comment of what kind of recipes you want to see. Okay, Maddie, I think we are good. Okay. It is fully stirred. I don't think I can do any more.
So now, Ryan, how full should we fill these cupcakes?
Either a quarter or mid, not to the top, because you have to, obviously, they'll rise.
I would say do like 3/4 of the thing.
Okay, great.
3/4 as best.
So, what's the best way to pour these? Just the spoon? How do we want to do this?
I usually use I like to use a ladle. Like a ladle that it's just easy to pop it in.
Very
Hold on. Let me go get you a ladle. And this is your ladle. So now you just scoop on in and fill it up 3/4 of the way.
Okay.
So they have like a little pouring edge.
Oh, yes. Okay, that's good. More?
Oh.
Too much?
No, more. You need like 3/4 of that. A little bit more.
Can anyone see this?
Oh, yeah, that's good.
Oh my god.
So the easiest way is to typically to when you're doing it, just make sure you're wiping the edge. So scoop it in.
Okay, you can do some. I'll watch the expert.
I'm not really an expert, but.
Oh yeah, I see what you're doing.
And then this is how you're not gonna like.
Yeah.
Okay, there is the finished product.
Ta-da!
You have some very
I want to eat one.
good looking cupcakes.
They look amazing.
Yeah.
I'm impressed. Like, this was a
Quick and easy.
Quick and easy Betty Crocker 1, 2, 3 step.
Yeah, so if you have a event or a birthday or a
I think
get together,
it's a good way to spend time with friends and like mingle and really easy. Now I want to make cupcakes more often.
yeah, drink wine and bake.
Yes. So
Or you can even just have like a decorating party. Like you can all
fun.
like make your cupcakes
one individual cupcake.
Yeah, just have a decorate cookies or something.
That's good. So yeah, let us know what other.
Thanks everyone for watching our
Thank
video. Yes, please like and subscribe and comment down below. We will maybe put in the description box the things that we used. I don't know if you really
our
need to know.
recipe, so easy.
You
It's
can just go
literally
to any
on the
superstore,
box.
yeah, or any supermarket. So, but
Yes.
please like and subscribe. It helps us out so much.
We are new to this and we want to just have fun with it. So give us a big thumbs up, subscribe, and see you next time. Bye.